Today episode is Classic Caillou sneaks to the kitchen, open the fridge / eat some cookies and cream ice cream / his dad's wake up / grounded. Oh come on. I just already got grounded like 1,000,000 times ago and my dad still keep doing it. I know. I heard my dad is sleeping. So I'm going to sneak to the kitchen. Open the freezer door. Grab a spoon and eat some cookies and cream ice cream on sleep. Ha 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 ha. I gotta go to kitchen without making noise and being super quiet. Okay, let's open the freezer quietly and slowly. You know what? Let's open it slowly. Let's just get it. Opening slowly. Okay, let me get some spoon. And a spoon. Now let's dig in. Man, that taste is so darn good. Oh no, I made a louder speak.
Did you eat cookies and cream at night?
Yes! I ate because I was hungry.
Shut up. Classic bald head, Caillou. How dare you eat cookies and cream at night? That is it. You are grounded for 67,123 years. Until the new Plotagon 2011 and Cheese 2 animation group reaches 56 million subscribers. Get your butt back to your room now.
Hey. Washington, wah wah wah.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.